Sister has posed a question. Walaikum assalam, sister. That Islam allows the man to divorce his wife at wholesale. So what do I have to say about it? Sister, the system which you are referring to at wholesale, the word which you are using, you are referring it to might be the triple talaq system. So sister, according to the Islamic teachings, Islam allows triple talaq, but not in one sitting. It should be in 3 different sittings. If we analyze this, sister, this I am not telling from my own, this is the command of the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, and number 228 to and number 242. And even in Surah Talaq, Surah number 65 and 1 to 3, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, a woman, if she is divorced by her husband, then she need to stay for 3 menstruations in the same house, under the same roof. She has to wait for 3 menstruation periods. This is one talaq. Once the man pronounces the talaq, she has to wait in the same home for 3 menstruations. Within that period, if the man, he is taking her back, well and good. But after the waiting period, the woman, she has to return to the parents' house. Now if the person, after the divorce happened, after the waiting period is completed, now if this person again wants to marry the same woman, then again they should come by the same system of marriage, through the nikah, how they were married for the first time. For the second time after marriage, if the husband again pronounces divorce to the woman, then again she has to wait for 3 menstruations under the same roof. This is called the iddat period, the waiting period, according to the Quran. Within these 3 waiting periods, again, if the husband takes her back, well and good. After the waiting period is completed, she will go to the parents' house. This was for the second time the husband has pronounced talaq. Now if she returns to the parents' house, again if this person wants to marry her, then they have to go to through the normal system of marriage, the way they were married for the first time. Now after getting married, for the 3rd time, if the husband pronounces divorce to the same wife, to the same woman, immediately the woman, she will go to the parents' house. There she will complete the 3 waiting period in the parents' house. Now the man, he cannot marry that woman. He has pronounced divorce for 3 times. Like we see the popular TV show, the Kaun Banega Karodpati, KBC, you must be watching it. There, at one stage, 3 lifelines are given to the person. Similarly in Islam, sister, 3 chances are given for the man to divorce his wife. But these are at different sittings, not in one sitting. For the 3rd time if he divorces, then he cannot marry that woman. If that particular woman, she gets married to some other man, and there by natural methods, with a genuine reason, she gets divorced with that man, completes her waiting period there, then she can come and marry with this man. This is the simple method of divorce in Islam. As you said that Islam allows the man to pronounce divorce at wholesale, this is absolutely illogical, sister. It is not there in Islam. Triple talaq is there, but it is not in one sitting. It should be in 3 different sittings. This is the concept of divorce in Islam and not at wholesale. I hope I answered that question.